Undiluted tea tree oil is a little harsh, irritating, or drying on your skin. Using tea tree oil for acne can be very helpful for treating even when it is only 5% of the spot treatment solution. Purchase pure tea tree oil. Ensure that you don't end up applying unknown chemicals or ingredients on your skin. Before applying tea tree oil to your acne, you should patch test. Wash your skin before applying tea tree oil, using by a mild soap or cleanser to clean the area that has acne. How dilute tea tree oil for Acne Scare homemade spot treatment. Simply mix a couple of drops of tea tree oil into little aloe vera gel, water, or a neutral oil, such as coconut or olive oil. 1. Put some coconut oil in a bowl, add 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil, and then mix it well. Use cotton bud, cotton pad, tissue, or your fingertip to apply the mixture directly onto the scars. Let it sit until morning before washing it off. 2. Put some yogurt in a bowl and add 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil. Once you've mixed it well, apply on your acne scars. Allow about 20 minutes before washing off. 3. Mix 1 cup of water, a teaspoon of witch hazel and 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil in a bowl. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Shake the mixture well before you spray it onto your skin. 4. Put some aloe vera gel in a bowl, add 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil, and mix it. Apply the mixture directly onto the acne scars. Let it until morning before washing it off. 5. You can also try mixing tea tree oil with honey. Honey also contains antibacterial properties and promotes skin healing.